A bit of history broken and fractured in a rant. In 2014, the final two volumes of A-bomb history data became available due to Freedom of Information Act, or just it no longer being considered top secret. September 1st of 2020, the National Cancer Institute said in a series of papers, after years of studies since then, 2014, radiation dose and cancer risks, while the exact number is unknown, some people probably got cancer from radioactive fallout 75 years ago in 1945 from the Trinity test, but we are only coming to this conclusion after virtually all of them are dead. Whatever excess cancers did arise would have been limited to those alive at the time of the blast and only in areas immediately downwind of the detonation site, and or for a few years afterwards. And again, majority of these people are dead, so suddenly facts and proof are available. The heaviest fallout contamination outside of the restricted area that was announced and restricted and actually monitored was on Chapadera Mesa, 30 miles from the detonation point. And the largest population doses are found in Torrance and Guadalupe counties, and slightly less or much less depending, in Lincoln, San Miguel, and Socorro counties. This is based on estimates and also on the effects on the downwinders born in subsequent years. But that would be considered too small to expect any additional cases, because we now know more about all of this, that we can actually come to that. However, what had been a steady decline in infant mortality in New Mexico up until August 1945 increased by 50% only for those downwind of Trinity. When a hot spot of fallout contamination was found in river water in Indiana by a film company, Paper Source, because they noticed the paper was being contaminated with something that would screw up the film, the United States Atomic Energy Commission officials immediately jumped into action and gave maps, forecasts, and potential contamination pathways for everybody that they wanted to have the information for, as well as expected fallout distributions. And this enabled them all to purchase uncontaminated materials before any of these occurred and protect themselves and take other protective measures for the photographic industry, not the people. They protected Hollywood. So only now that most are dead 75 years later, Congress thinks about legislation that would include downwinders in New Mexico in a federal compensation program for people exposed to radiation released during atmospheric tests because the United States bombed its own people. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Good luck with that.